If Windows Defender is annoying you, watch this video till the end and I will show you how to disable it in easy step. If I go to Windows Settings, then Updates and Security. Then Security. On Virus and Threat Protection you have to disable these options. After that, go to the search button and search for Regedit. Open the Registry Editor app. Follow this path. H key local machine. Software. Policies. Microsoft. Click on Windows Defender. On the right side, right-click on empty space and New. Select DWORD32. Name it to the following. Disable anti-spyware. With a capital D, A and S. And save. Double-click on it and change the value from 0 to 1. And OK. Now close this window. You will have to restart your computer. After you restart, if you go to Windows Security, you will see that Windows Defender is not available. If you want to enable the Windows Defender again, you will go back to the Regedit and change the value from 1 to 0. So that was today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.